Welcome to Glamoira, the podcast where we bring style, warmth, and a touch of glamour to every corner of your home. Join your hosts, Olivia and Liam, as they share their favorite tips, tricks, and a bit of design magic to make your space shine. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of beautiful living together.
Hey everyone! Does your carpet have a hidden history in it that's less than fresh? Today, we're going with Glamoira to dig into eco-friendly ways to tackle those carpet odors for good.
Yep, we're sharing tips that'll make your carpet feel like new so you can walk into your home and actually breathe easy. Let's go.
Okay, so you know that smell? When you're like getting ready for a party or something and suddenly the whole place reeks of musty carpet?
Yeah, I know that one.
Yeah, it can be kind of embarrassing. But luckily, you sent over this awesome guide all about naturally freshening up carpets.
Ah, very nice.
Yeah, and it's all about using like simple stuff you probably already have laying around.
Perfect.
Right. So we are going to deep dive into this.
Sounds good.
And see if we can't banish those carpet odors for good.
Let's do it.
All right, so the first thing this guide mentions is like making your own cleaning powder.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, so it's like washing powder, but then also baking soda or borax.
Okay.
I'm kind of curious, like what makes those ingredients so good at like getting rid of smells?
So basically, bad smells, a lot of the time, especially in carpets, come from acidic compounds that are kind of trapped in the fibers.
Oh, okay.
And both baking soda and borax are alkalines, so they kind of neutralize those acids.
So it's like a chemistry battle.
Exactly. It's like they cancel each other out.
And then no more bad smell.
Right.
But like why add the baking soda or borax if we're already using washing powder? Isn't that enough?
Well, the washing powder is really good at getting out stains and stuff.
Right.
But the baking soda and borax are like extra good at absorbing odors.
Oh, so they're like odor magnets.
Pretty much, yeah. They really trap and neutralize all those stinky molecules.
Okay.
Cool.
So you sprinkle this powder on, and the guide says to leave it overnight.
Yeah, you want to give it time to work?
I mean, does it really need that long?
Well, think about it. The odor molecules are way down in the carpet fibers.
Sure.
So the powder needs time to like reach all those little nooks and crannies.
I guess that makes sense.
Yeah, it's got to work its magic, you know?
So patience is key.
Exactly.
And you just vacuum it all up in the morning.
Yep.
Easy peasy.
Exactly.
So then there's this whole other section about wool carpets.
Ah, yes.
And it says to use like a vinegar and water solution and then put down dried lavender.
Oh, that's a good one.
I know, right? So I'm guessing this is because wool is so delicate.
Exactly. Wool can be really sensitive to harsh chemicals.
Right.
So you got to be gentle with it.
Oh, okay.
Vinegar is acidic, but in a way that actually helps break down those odor molecules without messing up the wool fibers.
So it's like a gentler way to neutralize the smells.
Exactly. And then the lavender is like a bonus.
Yeah.
It smells amazing and it's all natural.
So it's like aromatherapy for your carpets.
Right.
Okay, I love that. Now, my favorite part of this whole guide is that it really stresses regular maintenance.
Oh, yeah. Totally.
Like they say you should do this like every month.
It's way easier to like stay on top of things.
Right. Like with anything else.
It's like brushing your teeth. You do it regularly so you don't have to deal with major problems later.
Totally. So basically simple ingredients, a bit of time and some consistency can keep your carpet smelling fresh.
You got it. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best.
Totally agree. So now I'm thinking like, if this works for carpets, what else could we use these natural cleaning methods on?
Lots of possibility.
Yeah. And if you're looking for more amazing home care tips, head over to glamoya.com.
That's the place to be.
You'll find tons of helpful information there.
Awesome.
All right, thanks for joining me on this deep dive.
This was fun.
Yeah. Till next time.
See you later.
Thanks for tuning into Glamoira. We hope you're feeling inspired to make your space shine. For more tips, tricks, and all things home, head over to glamoira.com. Until next time, keep it glamorous.